Today's video is on the top 3 best alarm clocks. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget, Momilla Alarm Clock. Tired of boring alarm clocks that don't do much besides beep at you in the morning? The Momilla Alarm Clock is here to change that. With its vibrant 2.8-inch color LCD screen, this little clock feels fresh and modern, instantly brightening up your bedroom, desk, kids' room, or even a dorm. The display isn't just clear, it's lively, with 8 bold color themes that make checking the time a bit more fun. It turns an ordinary bedside accessory into something that actually adds style to your space. Now, let's talk about design. This clock keeps things simple and compact, measuring just 3.4 by 1.8 by 3.9 inches. Despite its small size, it's surprisingly powerful and loud, perfect for heavy sleepers. What makes it extra user-friendly are its 2 tactile buttons and a central knob. Instead of fumbling with complicated menus, you can just twist or press to set it up. It's designed so kids, teens, and adults alike can figure it out in seconds. And don't worry, although it needs to stay plugged in with its included power cord, it still retains your settings if unplugged. One of the standout features is the ability to set 4 different alarms. That's right, not just 1 or 2. You can fully customize them with 10 alarm sounds and 10 volume levels. The clock even has a gradual volume increase so the alarm won't startle you, along with a 9-minute snooze option you can use up to 5 times. Whether you need a gentle nudge or something extra loud to finally get you out of bed, this clock has you covered. Plus, with its 7-day programmable repeat options, you can set alarms for weekdays, weekends, or any routine in between. The display isn't just about time either. It's an all-in-one screen. You'll see the date, the day of the week, and even the indoor temperature in either Celsius or Fahrenheit. To make sure it works in any lighting, the brightness is adjustable across 10 different levels. And here's a neat bonus. It also comes with an hourly chime, a handy feature to keep you on schedule whether you're at home, in your bedroom, or working in your home office. But what really sets it apart is the built-in white noise sound machine. With 10 relaxing sounds, including rain, fan noise, and classic white noise, you can block out distractions and fall asleep faster. You can set a timer anywhere between 5 and 120 minutes, or let it run all night for peaceful, uninterrupted rest. One thing to note, this clock is a plug-in only device, but it comes with a USB-C cable for easy setup. Once plugged in, it does so much more than just wake you up. It transforms how you fall asleep, wake up, and stay on track throughout the day. Click subscribe louder than your alarm ringing on a Monday morning. Number 2, best overall, Fansbe Direct Digital Alarm Clock. Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed instead of frustrated. That's exactly what this all-in-one bedside alarm clock is designed to do. It's not just an ordinary clock. It's a smart companion that helps you sleep better, wake up easier, and keep your devices charged without cluttering your nightstand. One of the best features is the 9-minute snooze and dual alarms. If you and your partner have different schedules, you can each set your own alarm. No more fighting over wake-up times. Plus, with 6 built-in alarm sounds and an adjustable starting volume, you get to decide how you want to wake up, gently or with a bit more energy. You can easily switch between 12 and 24-hour formats, and thanks to Bluetooth syncing, the time automatically adjusts from your device. To make things even more comfortable, the screen has 6 brightness levels, so it's never too harsh during the night or too dim in the day. But this clock does more than just wake you up. It also turns your room into a peaceful retreat with its built-in white noise machine. With 23 soothing sounds, including white noise, fan sounds, and natural ambient noises, it helps you drift off into deep sleep or stay focused while working. Whether you're trying to block out street noise, snoring, or just want a calming background, this sleep sound machine function makes a huge difference. The experience doesn't stop there. this alarm clock has high-quality, dual 5-watt speakers built right in. You can stream your favorite songs, podcasts, or audiobooks using Bluetooth 5.0, which ensures fast and stable connections. If you prefer, you can also connect using the AUX input or play directly from a USB drive. Whether you're relaxing at night or getting ready in the morning, the sound is rich and clear, making your routine more enjoyable. And here's a game changer. It's not just a clock. It's also a wireless charging station. Place your Android or iPhone on top, and it charges with ease. On top of that, it includes a 5-volt USB-A port, perfect for powering your smartwatch or earbuds overnight. This means fewer messy cables and a cleaner, more organized nightstand. Finally, let's talk about the design and usability. With large buttons, it's simple for anyone to use, even if you're half asleep. The modern fabric style adds a sleek touch that looks great in any bedroom or office. By the way, which of the alarm clocks would you choose? Tell us in the comments. Number 1. Our pick. Hatch Restore Alarm Clock. What if your alarm clock could do more than just wake you up? What if it actually helped you sleep better too? That's the idea behind the Hatch Restore Alarm Clock, a smart little device that turns bedtime and mornings into a peaceful experience instead of a stressful one. The Restore helps you build healthy sleep habits by guiding you into a calm, nighttime routine. Instead of endlessly scrolling on your phone before bed, you can enjoy its relaxing design and original sleep content that encourages a screen-free bedroom. It's all about quieting your mind so you can drift off faster and wake up feeling truly rested. Unwinding at night becomes effortless with Restore. You can pair calming lights with soothing sounds to prepare your body and mind for sleep. Want something unique? Explore combinations like meditative gold or unconventional meditations. These customizable pairings help create the perfect atmosphere so falling asleep feels natural and easy. Deep, uninterrupted sleep is another area where Restore shines. With more than 80 science-backed sleep sounds, it helps tune out background noise and disruptions. The dimmable clock design is just as thoughtful. It keeps your room dark and cozy, so glowing numbers never interfere with your rest. Mornings feel completely different thanks to its sunrise alarm. Instead of being jolted awake by a harsh beep, you're gently eased into the day with gradual light that works in sync with your body's natural circadian rhythm. The result? You wake up refreshed and energized, not groggy or irritated. And let's talk about how simple it is to use. Restore's design was made for sleepy hands, so there's no fumbling around at night. One large button lets you start your routine, adjust the volume, or hit snooze, all without reaching for your phone. There's even a separate bedside light button for quick nightlight access when you need it most. Every purchase includes the Restore device, a power cord, and a quick start guide to help you set it up with ease. All you need is a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection to get going. With its soothing features, effortless controls, and science-backed sleep support, the Hatch Restore isn't just an alarm clock, it's your personal sleep partner, helping you fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up happier. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.